Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the bullets and putting your phone into pairing mode. Hold the earbud's multi-function button for about 2-3 seconds until the LED flashes. That indicates discoverable mode. On your phone open settings, tap Bluetooth and make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. Keep the earbuds within 1 to 2 meters so the radio can find them quickly. This step sets up the radio handshake. Once the LED is flashing white or blue, the device is ready to appear in your phone's device list. Now locate the bullets in your phone's Bluetooth list. It usually shows as OnePlus Bullets Z2. Tap the entry to initiate pairing. Your phone may ask to confirm a pairing request or show a PIN. Accept the prompt. This exchanges keys and establishes a secure link. Make sure media audio is allowed for the connection so calls and music route correctly. Once the phone shows connected, play a short audio clip to verify left/right channels, and that volume responds on the device and phone. Finish by confirming audio profiles. Tap the Bullets entry and enable both media and call audio so everything works. If pairing fails, power cycle the earbuds and phone. If that doesn't help, reset the Bullets by holding the button for about 10 seconds until LED behavior resets, then repeat pairing. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth and OS are updated, and check for Bullets firmware updates via OnePlus support tools. These steps clear cached pairings and resolve most connection or audio.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.